Take 250 grams of rice flour, add 100 grams of melted butter to it. Mix it well. The butter won't be enough, so we can add water to bring it to chapati dough consistency. Take a plate, keep it on a table and keep a steel glass and make this dough to cylindrical form and keep it below the glass and press it well so that it becomes the neck. Now take a spherical ball size and then apply it over the glass for the face. You can press it all the sides to smoothen it well. Then in the middle of the face you make two arcs on both the sides as of our eyebrows. Take a small round ball and then press it to the conical form to make the nose and then fix it in between the two eyebrows. Now take two oval shaped dough, bend it to C shape and keep it on both the sides where the eyebrow ends. Make two small balls similar to that of the green peas and then make it to a semicircle form and press it for the eyes. Make two pepper-sized balls and then fix it to the sides of the nose so that it looks realistic. Now to make the cheeks, take two similar sized balls of green grape size and then make it to the C form in such a way that the above part is broader and the bottom part is narrow and then fix it below the eyes. Now make the cheeks for the other side also in the similar way. Now I am going to make the chin. So I make a small ball and fix it in between the two cheeks ending part and press it well. All the joints should not be seen, so you need to smoothen it well. This is the tool which I use to mark in the deity. So I will show you. Now I am going to fix the mouth. Take two cylindrical shapes like this, one for the upper lip and another for the lower lip. Now I will show you how to fix it. Make two small holes at the end of the lips so it looks realistic. Take two thick hand embroidery threads for the eyebrow and fix it. Then take big size black bindis, cut it in the middle, make it to two halves and then fix it for the eyeball. Again use hand embroidery threads for making the eyelashes. Cut it into pieces of the required size and follow as I show here. Now take red color fabric paint and paint it for the lips. Using the same fabric paint, I keep the bindi. And then now I am going to make the crown using the remaining dough. I am going to make Meenakshi, deity Meenakshi. So apply according to this shape and then take a black cotton cloth, dip it in water and then surround it over the crown. Now take artificial hair which is purchased from the makeup shop for the decoration of hair to the sides as well as on the forehead. Now I am going to decorate the crown with the stone chains, sequins, whatever the jewelry, imitation jewelry we have, we can use it for decoration. Now our Gowri deity is ready for puja. Thank you.